つ二つ How to count things in Japanese. In this video, we're gonna learn hitotsu, futatsu, and mittu. Then you'll be able to make multiple orders of food for yourself and your friends. Yes, let's get started. Just imagine you are at a summer festival with your friend in Japan. お祭り楽しいね。楽しいね。And then she might say she wants to eat a shaved ice. あ、かき氷だ。食べたいな。いいね。僕も食べたい。何味にする？いちご味にする。僕が買ってくるよ。That's because I learned how to order food in Japanese from that video. The name of food plus お願いします。That's it, easy peasy. すいません。this one. いちご、お願い。I don't know how to say two ichigos in Japanese. Help me.Sure, I'll help you. When you'd like to get multiple items, just add a word indicating the quantity after the item. Okay, I know how to count to 10 in Japanese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want 2 shaved ices, so いちごにお願いします。Is it correct? 惜しい You need to say ふたつ not に What is ふたつ? Actually, we have another way to count from 1 to 10, which is ひとつ、ふたつ、みっつ、よっつ、いつつ、むっつ、ななつ、やっつ、kokonotsu, to. They have a tsu at the end. When we order food, we say 一つ、二つ、三つ. But I can't memorize all of them. 難しいです。If you are learning Japanese for traveling to Japan, I'd recommend you memorize these 3 so you can order food.I haven't had many opportunities to order more than 4 of the same food because I don't have that many friends to hang out with and you might not either. So let's master these 3 first. 一つ、二つ、三つ。Have you ever heard of 三つやサイダーの歌? This is a finger play song for kids and they'll be able to learn 一つ、二つ、三つwith this song. 三ツ矢サイダー is a product name of fizzy drink, by the way. よし、じゃあ歌ってみましょう。ボボンボンボン、一つ二つ三ツ矢サイダー、一つ二つ三ツ矢サイダー、ボボンボンボン、シュワー。What am I doing here? I know how to order multiple food items now. いちご3つお願いします。いちご3つお願いします。一つどうぞ。This is for you. 一つ。When you'd like to order one iced coffee, you can say アイスコーヒー一つお願いします。アイスコーヒー一つお願いします。By saying 一つ, you can clarify your order. Today's homework. Please sing the 三ツ矢 cider song so you can memorize 一つ二つ三つ. You can sing it in the comment section too. Lastly, let me explain when this 一つ二つ三つ counting pattern is used. It is used to count general things, but thin objects, long object, machines, living things and so on have their own special counting patterns, so it is used to count small objects that don't fit into these categories. It is also used to count abstract things that have no shape. And as you already know, it is also used to order food. Actually, there are some special words for counting food and drinks, but when ordering, we say hitotsu, futatsu, mittu. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. またね。ボボンボンボン。シュワー